at the SmallRig booth, and we are talking to Ryan Connolly of Film Riot about his new collaboration, multitool. So we are here at the SmallRig stand, and Ryan, who some of you may recognize from Film Riot, is here to show me something. What are you going to show me?
This is the SmallRig Film Riot, and we just changed the name, so I keep forgetting the name. I believe it's the folding tool kit. I believe now. It was originally like multi-tool, because that's what it is. It's a multi-tool.
It's the Film Riot multi-tool.
Yeah, it's the Film Riot multi-tool. And there's a 7-in-1 and a 10-in-1 as well.
It's an obvious question, but why this? What is different about this one that's your one?
We were talking to SmallRig a bit already about doing a co-branded product together. Because I just like SmallRig. I like their attitude towards the community. It just seems like they care about the indie filmmaking community. And there's quite a few companies like that as well, but that's one of the things that draws me to a company like SmallRig. I mean, any of the show companies that you see us mentioning multiple times on our show, Film Riot, that's how I feel about them. That's why they're mentioned more than once, because we try it out. But we also see, what are the people behind the scenes like? What are their intentions? Are they real intentions? Do they care about the community? And we go from there, because you see it in the products eventually. Even if it's a new company starting out and there's rough edges, if that care for the community is there, the products are going to get there eventually. But SmallRig is one we always love for those reasons, and we were talking about doing a co-branded product together, and this one we came in a little bit late. They were showing us different things. Hey, what do you think? What do you think? And this one just stood out to me, and I wanted to try it out. They sent it, and I had it in my pocket for a few days, and then I realized when it wasn't in my pocket, I really noticed. I was reaching for it, and it wasn't there, and I was like, all right, this is the one. And it just has all the tools that I use most frequently. I haven't found, specifically with the 10-in-1, I haven't found a time where I needed it and it didn't do what I needed. Specifically with this one, the big selling point for me is the 2 points of locking. So you got the 90-degree, which I got all tools there, but you got the 90-degree and then the 180-degree locking point.
Yep.
So that's not going anywhere.
Absolutely.
And with a lot of these tools, I'm like really trying to tighten something down and then it's slipping, and that's always been a frustration point for me.
I have the original SmallRig multi-tool, and I love it, but like you say, it just flops around.
Yeah. And so that was really the biggest aspect, because it's a simple product. There's not a ton to talk about here. It's not like as sexy as the tripod, but just that locking function and the simplicity of it was really the big selling point for me.
Amazing. Ryan, is this available now? And if so, how much is it retailing?
Yep, it's out right now. It's going for, the 7-in-1 is $29.99 US, and the 10-in-1 is $39.99 US.
And are they all the same color scheme?
Nope, we got a green, a black, and what I like to call the Film Riot red, because you got the red and then the black there. It's perfect. Lovely. Obviously my favorite, even though I have the green here today.
Got to send one of those to Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD. He'll love that.
Well, it's on its way.
Thank you very much. We are going to have more from IBC 2024 with DIY Photography, but for now, Ryan, it's been a pleasure.
Same. Thank you very much.